Dear Brazilian customers, you are warmly welcome to visit our company. We are very excited to share our LED screen products and manufacturing processes with you, as well as provide you with demonstration and visiting opportunity. Our most advanced LED display products are brought together here, showcasing LED solutions from various sizes, resolutions and application areas. You will have the opportunity to get a closer look at the features and performance of each product, and our professional team will provide you with a detailed product introduction. Whether you need LED displays for advertising, entertainment, sports venues and other venues, we will provide you with personalized solutions to meet your needs. Next, we will go to the LED screen aging workshop to show you our strict quality control process. At this critical link, we conduct a long-term aging test on each LED screen to ensure its reliability and stability in long-term operation. You'll see firsthand how we inspect every detail to ensure every product meets the highest quality standards. Thank you again for your visit. We will do our best to provide you with the highest quality LED display products and services to meet your needs. We look forward to cooperating with you to create a successful future together.